Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Responding to its undulating and challenging site, Wallaby Hill House emerges as a series of connected forms that anchor the home while allowing an open embrace of the surrounds. Avver draws from the abundant mountainous terrain and focuses on simplicity and a deliberate stripping of the superfluous to create a warm and encasing retreat. Set in the Victorian Highlands, Wallaby Hill House combines an open approach and one of rudimentary shelter amongst the elements, as the owners are avid lovers of the mountains and being elevated and immersed within nature. Reflecting this sensibility and embedding a reminder of place was integral to the narrative of the home and its connection to context. Sitting weighted in place, a sense of robustness underpins the structure and becomes the inspiration for the overall approach with how the form intersects with the landscape. Avver layers in a richness through familiar nods to the traditional mountain home and ensures a sense of refinement reflects the contemporary nature of the building as well.